Oh, snikes, y'all. Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel. Welcome back. Let's pick up on him. Let's pick up on him, see what we got here. Bring it up over this other rod. What do we got here? Oh boy. What do we got down here? Oh, he thinks he's tough. One of them old channel cats. One of them old channel cats. Yeah, buddy, you're lucky, man. You're a lucky guy right now. If I had caught one more of you earlier today, I'd be eating your butt. But you're lucky I ain't out to eat no catfish tonight. Cause I swear I'd be putting your butt in the fryer, dog. In the fryer. See, here's get him unloosed. Don't worry, buddy, we'll get you out of here. Just mellow out. Chill out, sucker. Jeez, man. He's got, look at this. This stupid sucker's got 2 hooks in his face. I can't even believe this stupid catfish. How do you get 2 hooks in the mouth in one night? Huh? Come on, catfish. Tell me how you do that. Tell me how you get 2 hooks in the mouth in one night. Get on out of here, boy. You all rascally old catfish. Some gun, bull. Yeah. Hey. Tell you what. Whoa. Yeah, dog. All we using is live bluegill and cut bait. Live bluegill and cut bait is how we getting it done. If you like stuff like that, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel for more. Share this with everybody you know. That means tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your granny, tell everybody. Go fishing every day, man. Thanks for watching, man.